In this video, we will look at how to access and organize your class file in Google Drive. First, we will access your Google Drive from the Google Classroom. In the Classwork tab, click the Class Drive folder, and this will open your class folder in Google Drive in the new tab. As you can see, all your class file will be stored into this folder automatically. Another way to access your Google Drive is to click this 3x3 box, then click the Drive apps. Locate the folder Classroom, and inside the Classroom folder is your Google Classes folder. Click the folder of your class to access your class file. You can organize your file by adding subfolder to group your class files. To add folder, click New and choose Folder. Name your folder, then click Create button. To add more folder, just repeat the process. After all necessary folder created, arrange your file by selecting and dragging it to the specific folder. If the notice window will appear, just click OK button. You can change also the color of the folder by clicking the folder you want to color. Then, on the right side of your screen, click these three dots for more options menu. Click Change Color, then choose the color for your drive. Now your class files was organized into different folders. In the next video, we will look at how to schedule class activities in your Google Calendar.